Hi everyone, welcome to my studio. My name's Teresa Louise. Thanks for stopping in. Well, today, guess what I got? Came in the mail today. My May box. Now, I know there are a lot of people out there that already got this. I don't know why I am one of the last. It's not fair. But anyway, several people have put it on YouTube already. But I thought, well, what the heck? Let's go ahead and open it anyway. Maybe there's some of you out there waiting for me to open this. And this might be my last box. I know I just posted the year-end review, but I have gotten 3 boxes since that year ended. So anyway, without further ado, let's take a look. All right, I'm going to bring you down so you can see it too when I open it. If I can get my camera to go down, we'd all be happy. Okay, there we go. Ta-da! I don't know why I always have to say that. Ta-da! It's Buds and Blooms. And there's 25% off Trump packs or 5-inch squares. That is our promotion, our gift. I can't show you the code. And here's our little book. Comes with it. Everything tells us everything that's in there. So I'll just set that there. And oh, looky here. Magic Touch quilting gloves. Cool. Ooh, I'll have to open that, check them out. And then we got some fabric. Ooh, pretty. We'll have to open that and take a look. Cool. We'll look at that in just a minute. And then here's our pattern. Very nice. And it looks like we got some scissors. Those look like nice heavy-duty scissors. And a roll of orthophil thread. It's pretty white. Well, I'm happy to get that. I'm glad they gave us a neutral. That's good, if white's a neutral. And then we also got our block of the month. There you go. Isn't that pretty? I like that block. I always like all the ones that have half square triangles. Of course. I don't know what it is with me and half square triangles. Right. All right. Well, let's take a look. And get those scissors out. I want to check these out. I like the color. Ooh, feel pretty sharp. They're not serrated. That's a hard plastic. Like my other ones are like this soft rubber, which I really like. These are pretty. These are hard. Let's see. Sweet Snips fabric scissors. They're made for the fat quarter shop, and they are made in Taiwan. Imagine that. Not saying that's bad. It even says Sweet Snips Fat Quarter Shop right here. Boy, they're really going uptown, aren't they? And I'm pretty sure these are their gloves. These are also made in Taiwan. Let's look at them. Sorry about the wrinkle. You might as well experience the whole thing, right? Oh, it's got, what's it got on there? got a little, one of those little plastic tags. Get that off. Let's see what those, while I'm doing that, see how much those scissors were. $12.98. Looks like you can use them for right and left-handed. Ooh, I think I like these. Now, these are for free motion quilting, you know. But, oh, they have a they have a emblem on the front and back. That kind of confused me for a minute. It's probably one size fit all. Oh, nice and snug. Ooh, I think I like them. Fingers are a little too long for me because I'm just a short person. Short and fluffy. Hey, I think I might like those. A little hard to get on, but they feel really good. Okay, so what I was going to say, so not only do I use them for free motion quilting, but because I have arthritis in my hands, when I'm doing the binding on quilts, especially large ones, my hands get really tired. You know, when you're pushing that, well, you're not pushing it through, but you're directing it through and trying to hold it and all that. And I find that these just really help keep that grip. So, yeah, I'm going to try them. Magic Touch quilting gloves. Huh. They do not say Fat Quarter Shop on them. Okay, so there's the gloves. How much are those? $8.98. Nice. I like those. And I have to get used to the scissors. I kind of like a bigger scissor. Like, that's why I really like these, because my hand can fit in there. Yeah. But, hey, I like them. Okay. And the thread, that is $4.98. And let's look at the fabric. The fabric is 20 layer cake squares. Let's open it. I don't mind opening it. I mean, that's why you're here. You know, that's why I watch box openings. I want to see the fabric. It's like, don't hide it away. Hey, what's this? Oh, hey. A surprise. See, that's another reason why you open the fabric. You get to see that there's surprises in here. Oh, how to slice a layer cake. Okay. Well, that's kind of neat. That's great for beginners. Gives you some ideas of what you can do with it. Very nice. Fat Quarter Shop. I like that. All right. I'm going to have to bring you back down so you can see. Or I can hold them up. How about if I do that? All right. Who is this fabric by? Let's see. I don't know. Where'd her little thing go? Layla Boutique. No wonder I liked it. Cool. This will not be the first time that we have gotten a Layla Boutique. I think we've, in my year review, there was a couple in there. So anyway, here we go. Here's the first one. Very pretty. Here's a brown with lots of flowers, like that. And kind of a slate, dark slate. And this one kind of matches my shirt. Coral. See? I'll be darned. Boy, that's really close. That's funny. And then turquoise. I love turquoise. I say that about all the colors. Oh, I love turquoise. I love purple. I like this one. Very pretty. And this one. Love that one too. And this is that slate color again with some red in there. And then we have the kind of a turquoise blue with the red. And then we have the green. Then we have polka dots. This is a nice group of fabric here. And now we have some squares. More squares. Well, that feels more than 20, doesn't it? More squares. They cheated us on the polka dots. More squares. And some stripes on a diagonal. And one more stripe. Okay, that's the fabric. Very nice. And let's see, what else can I tell you about it? So the total value of this is $46.92. But if I add in the patterns, which the patterns come to $14.96, which you get the exclusive sampler box pattern, and I really like that pattern. And then that is $9.98, and then your block of the month is $4.98. So if I add all those up, it comes to $61.88. There's some math for you. So there you go. What do you guys think? Do you like that fabric? What was your favorite thing in the box? Let me know. Okay. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking this one out. I really appreciate it. And give me some comments down below. I love to hear from you guys. And I hope you guys have a great day. It is sunny here. I got to go outside for a while this morning and do some stuff out there. And then the wind picked up. But it's still sunny out. So I get to enjoy that. Oh, and by the way, I'm reorganizing my sewing room. So if things are starting to look a little different, that is why. And once I get it all put away and how I want it, I'll do another sewing room tour so you can see what I've done. All right, you guys. Thanks so much. Now go out and make something. Bye for now.